Good morning, everyone. We got the self we were looking for yesterday. Finally, it's about time, right? Market, it's been up on a rally for the last 2 weeks. Pretty much every day. Would we have one notable down day in that whole time? But finally, into resistance, we got a down day. Now we're at the point of control for the last 10 days at this 1190 area. It's going to be interesting to see if this market holds. To be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Futures right now are pretty flat, so it will be interesting. I know we have some news coming out this morning, the PPI index and the housing market index. So it will be, this level's where we're at right now in the market. It's going to be a place to watch, but be ready to be a buyer with your stop under this morning's low and, look for some upside, but, don't get too ambitious with your ideas of profit. I wouldn't expect more than, a 20-point move or so in the S&P without some more selling, but to make it easy, we're sitting at pretty much major support. We don't want to see this market drop much more than what it already has if we're going to be a buyer. 1180 is pretty much my downside. These recent lows in this congestion area back around October 10th, October 11th, and we're sitting right at the point of control for the range. So we want to see healthy consolidation. A couple days in this level is good, but if we're buyers and we're looking for more upside, then we need to see this thing consolidate and then break out to the upside. Let's pull up a chart with the moving averages. Okay, here's a chart with the moving averages. This yellow line's the 200-day exponential moving average. It's on a 4-hour chart, so it's really, for the 4-hour chart, I have it on overnight also, and so it's really the 1,000-day moving average for the 4-hour chart, but it is the right number. You can see where the red line's the 50-day moving average. It was pretty much the ceiling for a while. Now the price is over it. It'll be interesting to see, if this support level, we have high volume support. We have the 50-day moving average. The 20-day moving average is working its way higher. It will be interesting to see if this 200-day and basically, double top recent highs. We'll see who's in control. We'll see who's going to be selling into this, and if they are selling into this, who's going to be buying into this. We need to know who's going to control this market. You should have taken a lot of profits yesterday. If you didn't, don't keep them tight today. If the market drops again, just take profits. It's not worth holding on, because if this market dips back, 40, 50, 60 points, you're going to be kicking yourself wishing you took profits. So don't get in that predicament. Just take profits when you have them. So I think this video is pretty appropriate. I think the levels, what we're looking for, but also, we're in the middle of nothing right now. It's going to be a fight for the next. I'm assuming for the next couple days we're going to see a fight at this level. If we get some bad news somewhere, I wouldn't be surprised to see this market sell off. On the move up, everything was fine and dandy, and then on the move down, a bunch of bad news is going to come out and drive the market lower. So that's just kind of how it goes. But watch this 1180, 1190 level, and if it holds, be ready to be a buyer with the buyers. And if it doesn't, then, ditch it and wait for the next opportunity.